Jesus clean my pain. Spirit you can't exchange. Intrusive thoughts, Father, tell me why they harm my brain. Take a soul for what is that to gain? For I'm able, won't let you do me like can't. Humble and wise, I still remain. Chasing vision, not a dream. Yeah, they thought I was a lame. Look how far that I came. I am him, we are not the same. Mental wounds I had to sustain when pops was locked up in them chains. Endure savage terrain. Jesus key to life must obtain. Blessed to see another day, so I can't complain. Yeah, by the blood we change. Ain't stop now, so we must maintain. Coursing through my veins. It's a power God must understand. But I'm just a man. I can do all things by the power of Jesus' name. Oh, oh, oh. Hear my call, yeah. Yeah. Holy Lamb was slain. Oh, ain't it a shame? Jesus took the blame, but that he has overcame. Look who he became. Holy God that will forever reign. His eyes are like a flame. COD, that is just what I claim. Hey. I can't stand the rain. I say, I can't stand the rain. Yeah, I say, I can't stand the rain. No, I say, I can't stand the rain. Rebuke the devil just by Jesus' name. I'm on the track, but I never train. Salt of the earth just like a grain. God the way, so keep the faith. No order nowadays, we must still obey. Father, hear my plea. You the one we need. Rain bring pain, so I'm casting out seeds. Pray for them to grow. Only you will know. Your judgment is right. Yes, I do believe. Blessings I receive. I consumed by greed. You told us that you'll never leave. Hell is weeping, gnashing of teeth. Oh, it ain't no party. It done got me started. Baptized in that water, but I am a solid. God's glory, no profit. No, I ain't a prophet, but I am anointed. Yes, I am appointed. Reaper what I'm avoiding. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.